Hey guys, it's Blackstone. Betty, welcome to Family Style. I have a special guest with me here in Florida, the Stallion himself, teaching me his Italian Stallion sandwich, which is gonna be perfect for my family. It's a big one. You're gonna teach me how to make it, right?
Hello!
Welcome, Todd, to Family Style.
Thanks for having me over.
Let's make this Italian Stallion sandwich that I saw you post. I think you made it on the live. I can't wait to eat it, so let's get right into it.
Yeah, we need to have it zhuzhed up, I think.
I'm gonna zhuzh this up a little bit.
All right, she's here. All right.
All right, so this is a big one. We have, what, 2 pounds of hot or sweet sausage?
Hot.
Okay, I guess you could use either one if you wanted to. We're just gonna get that down on to our griddle. A little oil, right? You would like a little oil?
Sure, yeah. Oh, I love it.
All right, right down. That's enough for me because I'm not. Okay.
Well, you know what? I was at I went to a sub shop, like an East Coast sub shop a couple months ago, and got this thing called the Italian Stallion. It's real simple. Had pepperoni, mozzarella, and a nice roll, and I loved it. It was finished off with an Italian dressing, and of course, I immediately thought of that Blackstone loaded Italian, and here we are.
I think it's gonna be great. You just crumble it up.
Sure.
You like it nice and small, like taco meat.
Yeah.
Love it.
Let's do it, Betty.
Why do you pick hot and not sweet?
Well, I've been using mild exclusively for years since we have small kids. But today we're cooking just for me and you, and I said, let's go hot, right?
This is going to be a big sandwich. I think we're going to be able to feed a lot of people with this one, which
I think
is
so.
The way I like to cook. We're just going to let that hang out?
Yeah, sure. Let it hang out,
we'll
and
come
then
back
let it
to
do
it.
its thing. And...
Tell me why we have that little saucepan on there. What are we cooking?
Ooh, because of this.
Victoria. That's a good brand.
No, I know. Betty...
I like a homemade marinara or marinara. However, you picked a good brand, so I'm happy with this so far. Do you just dump it, or do you zhuzh it up a little bit?
We'll zhuzh it up a little bit. Yeah. Ooh, you gonna use this to help zhuzh it up? What are you gonna do?
Well, how I would start to zhuzh up like a store-bought sauce would just start off with a little bit of olive oil and some garlic. It might have enough garlic, but I mean, I just think it adds a little bit of freshness. Can I just add maybe 2 or 3?
You sure can. You sure can.
You want to get a little bit of...
your show. You can do it.
My show, your recipe, which is kind of fabulous.
Kind of crazy.
You want to get a little bit of oil in your pot?
I'll do it.
Or your pan?
Yeah. All right. So we got a little cast iron skillet going over here, down on the burner. And I'll put a little bit of olive oil in there for Betty.
I think just 2 cloves for a second.
Perfecto.
That immediately smells like delicious to me. So I'm already loving your recipe. You want to just dump that in there?
Sure, let's do it. Come on over here.
Nice and fresh.
Tell me when you want the whole can or half?
That's a big roll you brought, so I think that's good. That's
okay.
Good right there.
All right.
Can we break up this meat just a little bit more?
Yeah, let's do it to it.
Smells
that
good
looks
already.
Nice. Very nice.
I think a little bit of pepperoni right now. It will make it nice and crisp. It'll
okay, here we go, folks. So you tell me when.
All over.
And we're going to mix it up.
I love that.
A little more?
Already. This would be a great pizza topping. Right
it would be a great pizza topping right there.
I love it. Let's get it nice. And then what about your peppers?
Yeah. Well, when I made it before, I did them on the side. You know, I sort of dumped them out and kind of just heated them up a little bit. And then we could throw them in there at the end, or we could layer them on top. So whenever we're ready, when we get to that point, you can lay this out and make it whatever that is, 20 inches long, and then put the mozzarella on top to melt and all that. And then you can do whatever you want. If you want to butter it or mayo or toast it or stay cold, I don't care.
I like it cold, just like this. I don't think an Italian roll really needs much.
Yep.
Do you want to slice this?
Sure. Now, are you going to keep it like? Do you want it together?
Yeah, don't go all the way through.
Okay, perfect.
Kind of like a cheesesteak, right?
Yeah.
Don't have a cheesesteak.
A cheesesteak, yes, the old cheesesteak.
This is beautiful.
Look at that. Oh,
gorgeous.
My goodness.
How in the world? We're going to have to do the cheesesteak flip on this one off the
It's going to be hard to do. We'll, but I think we can figure it out.
All right, so you have this fresh mozzarella Galvani. I love the brand.
Yes.
So you scored points there. Now, do you let it melt through, or are you a placer on top because you like the freshness, or
no?
I'd
like to have it melting.
I feel like some people like it fresh.
Yeah.
Some people like it melted.
Yeah.
If you like it fresh, let us know. If you like it melted, let us know, because there's a big difference. What are we gonna do today? Melt it?
I want to melt it on there.
Good.
Yeah.
Let's get it on there and let it melt through. Kind of like that cheesesteak.
Here, I'll grab half. You get half.
This is another way I love cooking with somebody. It's teamwork.
Teamwork makes.
Nate
the
always told me that
dream
teamwork makes the dream work.
It's true.
It's very true. That's a lot of
There we go.
cheese.
Now, can I go ahead and throw these on top, Betty? Right here. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Look at these.
Perfect. I love it all mixed together.
Here, so let's go ahead. We're gonna layer these beautiful marinated, roasted red peppers on top.
There would be one thing that would make this just better.
What is it, Betty?
It's not here, which we probably just set ourselves up for disaster.
What is it?
Fresh basil.
Oh.
There is some over there.
We might have some fresh
in
basil.
the garden. Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go. We're going to the garden?
Hurry up. Fresh veggie or fresh herbs are like the best thing to make your sandwich.
Now this isn't a walk of shame. This is like a walk of Italian pride.
Yes.
Okay.
You need it. This reminds me of grown up. This reminds me of home. This is perfect. Where is her basil?
Oh my goodness.
So, the second you pick it, you can smell it, right? Oh, this little baby
yeah,
here.
yeah, that's basil all the way.
This is gonna zhuzh up that recipe just a little bit more. Okay?
I'm zhuzhing it up.
Smell it? All right. This is gonna be so good. I think it's gonna feed the team.
I'm very happy about the basil. Thank you. This is what I was after, and this is why we came to Betty for this.
Okay, we're lined up.
Okay.
Let's get that nice and tight and get this sandwich done.
Okay. All right.
Nice and tight.
Now
You want to do a mix of everything, or leave it just how it is?
I'm thinking we're gonna have to probably leave it like this, and then kind of scoop it up right. I'm not gonna do the cheesesteak thing; it might break apart.
Let's go.
And then we'll just let you slide it all in there, and we'll kind of hold it open.
I'll do this side.
There we go.
Do the other side.
There we go. Let me grab a spatula here, and this is perfect. Just like that, we can tuck it in there. We're gonna get messy.
I think my family is going to maybe ask for this one to be the first thing I cook when I get home.
They might. You never know. And you can change the name too, of course.
Oh no, I like Italian Stallion. I would never change it.
All right, are we taking it over? You want to grab it?
Geez.
We can do it. I think we got it. We'll
Go,
transport it over there. There we go.
That is gorgeous, Todd.
There we go.
This is the kind of food I like. This right here. This makes me happy. I'm just gonna.
Oh, do it.
You're gonna get that sauce.
Yes,
while
let's get the sauce.
Get this basil just roughly chopped.
Alrighty, here we go. Over here with that sauce. Look at that. Now you can go light or you can go crazy, but yeah.
Save it on the side for dipping.
Yeah, well, perfect. That's even better. And there we go. And do your magic.
Oh my goodness.
Right, look at that color. Hey, is that almost like the Italian flag, isn't it?
This is everything I love in the world.
No.
Meat, cheese, and tomatoes, and Italian bread.
No, can I give it a kiss of this?
Yes.
I've been dying to do this, by the way, folks. Go ahead, you do it.
I actually now want to try what it would taste like in the marinara.
Okay.
I think that was a great idea.
Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Oh my gosh. Just this and bread
Yes.
makes me happy.
All right, now you want a giant piece or just a small
I think we
piece?
should slice it up family style.
Okay, how big do you want it? Like right there?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it.
This is probably going to end up all down my arms.
This is
going
going to
to
be messy. As you can see, we have a cascade of flavors over there.
If it ain't messy, then it ain't real food.
That's
is
true.
my opinion.
Oh, that looks so beautiful there. I hate to cut it.
Oh gosh, I can't.
And there we
Can
go.
I take a piece of this?
Yeah, we could take some.
Ooh, look at that.
I'm going to grab this one right here.
Look at that, how good. Cheers to you.
Yes. Oh.
I love a good cheese pull. Like, Todd, you outdid yourself. What a great recipe. I'm happy. Fabulous, fabulous thing. I can't wait to go home and cook this for everybody at my house, family style. It's gonna definitely be a dinner coming up in my house. Thank you for teaching me how to make it.
Thank you for having me here. It was a blast.
I hope that you guys try this one. If you do, be sure to tag Blackstone Products, tag Todd, tag me, Blackstone Betty. Get pictures of it and tell us how much you love it because I think it's fabulous.
Yeah,
right?
yeah. Don't forget to check out Family Style with Blackstone Betty every single week on Facebook, on YouTube, on Instagram.
And
my show. Let's give it a try as well.
I have to say, I thoroughly enjoy cooking with you. It's kind of like just cooking with
fun.
somebody at home, like a family member.
This was
like,
fun. For me, this was
my
comfort.
style.
It was comforting. It was fun. And, oh, yeah.
Dip it in there.
Let's dip it in. And
Cheers.
eat it.
This was great. Thanks, Todd.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.
Bye. Thanks for watching.
I gotta tell you, I haven't eaten bread the whole time I've been here. But you got me to eat bread.
That's what I do. I want to brag about being like one of these protein loaders, but I'll bring you back to the carb side.
Italian just does it to me. I just love it.
Welcome.
Perfect.